Breaking news! Millions of seniors and Social Security recipients could be eligible for an extra $3,200 Social Security boost and a $500 child tax credit payment. But here's the shocking part: many seniors don't even know they qualify. Are you eligible for this extra money? When are the payments arriving? How do you make sure you get your check? Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal how you can claim your payments fast before they expire. Let's get started. Before we dive deep, welcome back to Benefit Wisdom, your go-to source for the latest Social Security updates. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here. So, what is this new law? Now, let's break this down. Where is this extra $3,200 and $500 coming from? Here's what's happening. $3,200 Social Security boost. This comes from COLA adjustments and back payments. Some seniors were underpaid in previous years, and this new law is fixing that. $500 child tax credit bonus. If you are a senior or disabled person caring for a dependent child or grandchild, you might be entitled to an extra $500 credit from the IRS. This is meant to help seniors struggling with high living costs and inflation. Question for you: do you think these payments are enough to help seniors? Let me know in the comments. Who qualifies for this money? Let's get into the most important part: who qualifies for this extra money? The $3,200 Social Security boost. Who qualifies? Retirees and SSDI recipients who had past COLA reductions. Seniors with low Social Security payments, below the poverty level. People who have not received their full COLA increase in previous years. The $500 child tax credit. Who qualifies? Seniors caring for a grandchild or dependent on their tax return. Retirees with low to moderate income, under $75,000 single/$150,000 married. SSI and SSDI beneficiaries who claim dependents could also qualify. If you fall into any of these categories, you could be getting a check soon. Comment below: are you currently receiving Social Security? Type YES if you are, and NO if you're still waiting. When and how will you get paid? Alright, now that we know who qualifies, let's talk about when you can expect your payments and how you will receive them. Expected payment dates. The $3,200 boost will be sent with your next Social Security payment cycle this year. The $500 child tax credit will either be added to your tax refund or issued as a separate check. How will you receive it? Direct deposit. If SSA has your banking info, the money will be deposited directly. Paper checks. If you receive physical Social Security checks, you'll get it the same way. Prepaid debit cards. Some recipients will get their payments on a government-issued debit card. Make sure your bank details are updated with SSA to avoid any delays. Important: if you haven't received your payment by the expected date, call SSA or IRS immediately. Question: have you received any stimulus or extra payments recently? Comment received if you have, or still waiting if you haven't. How to claim your payment fast? Warning: many seniors are missing out on this money simply because they haven't checked their eligibility. Don't let that happen to you. Here's what you need to do right now. Step 1. Check your Social Security statement. Log into SSA.gov and check if your benefits reflect COLA increases. Step 2. Update your tax information for the $500 credit. If you claimed a dependent child or grandchild, make sure it's correctly filed in your taxes. Step 3. Contact SSA or IRS if you don't see the payment. Call 1-800-772-1213 SSA or 1-800-829-1040 IRS for payment status updates. Pro tip: if you miss the deadline, you might have to wait until the next tax cycle, so act fast. Seniors, don't miss out on this extra $3,200 plus $500. Share this video with family and friends so they don't miss their payments. Do this now. Like this video if you found this information helpful. Comment below: have you received your Social Security payments? Let us know. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we bring you the latest updates on Social Security, SSDI, and VA benefits.